Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Garmin Dash Cam Tandem, and now I'm gonna show you how to pair this camera to your smartphone. If you have the iPhone, you need to download the Garmin Drive application from the App Store. If you have the Android device, you need to download this application from the Google Play Store. Then you need to open this app and log in or register in the Garmin. Without the logging in into this application, without the Garmin account, you can't be able to use the pair with your camera and your smartphone. Here, after you will log in, you will see this screen. So here you need to click Garmin Dash Cam series, and you will see the looking for Garmin devices. And what you need to do, you need to press and hold this save button. So press it and hold. It will blink in the blue color, and it will ask you, does your Garmin device appear in your phone's Bluetooth list? Let's check my phone's Bluetooth lists. I don't see it, but I click yes, I see it. Let's forget the previous pairing. Of course. Okay, the sit and dam, yes, it's connected. Of course, I was connected to this device. The sit and dam. Okay, other devices. Cool. And now let's try again. Pair. Continue. Let's give. Okay, success. Your device has been found. Tap to continue. Click continue. And cool. That's it. Now I can use it in pair with my smartphone. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.